but maybe today you can hear it again for the first time. Here is We Three Kings.